VGA.smtvs.com. So I'm Van-Gunt Allen, and I'm the creator of this new apps for smtvs.com that embodies all the SMTVS functions and services in one place, and a few extra things along the way. Well, the apps, we just took it out of the showroom and it's in a test phase, and I even went through and saw that the AI messed up the audio mixer board again after it did it one way and I tried to do that, and after I changed the color of it, it sort of look a different way. So we're gonna get back to doing that. But we have like project and analytics, and we have ITV network, we have TV creator, ITV creator page, and we have smart playlist, project timeline. That's the calendar, and we have an audio studio. Okay, let's go back to the audio studio. Okay, so we have professional audio editing and recording with Wave Surfer. So we're using Wave Surfer as I sort of subscribe to Wave Surfer and GitHub, and every time the developer updates something, he sends it to me. So when it's like, I'm gonna like try to link him and show him this, so he maybe can come in. So all the time developers are still doing other new stuff. So never know. He's already contributing to the thing, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I looked at his multi-track stuff. Okay, so the here to load the audio in, basically I created this in a drawing, but it looked like while I was still explaining to the AI took it vividly because now we have a player track here. I guess the player one audio. Either the audio can move down. I don't know what's going on there yet. We can add a track, right? And I guess we can go and select and add a track into the system, right? And we can export a track, right? And we can save the track to the default, which is we have an audio library here, right? So R&B, spotlight, artist, interview, it's the stuff that's there, right? And you can upload your thing. Because I said to create a page of some sort. So I guess that's what it's doing, some things. When things are new, you got to figure this out. It's not built like the way I built Dark World. When I gave the AI in the early part in the free version, and I give the AI the information, the AI took it the way I wanted it and really construct a good system for me. And we can show you that how that look, right? So in this one, it sort of went a different direction, but we'll usher it into bringing it to what it is. It's a multi-track page, the editor page, and the recorder page. So you can record stuff, right? See, and it looks at any microphone box or whatever you have there. That's there. That's cool because I asked that and I got that. Okay, let's get out of here and go back fast. All right. So television switcher, right? It's not like the one I draw. We're going to eventually get it that way. But we got A, B, and C roll going on, right? We got effects going on, right? We got the breakout box, right? That's connected. We got Hollywood effects, should be installed here. There we go, a bunch of Hollywood effects and stuff, right? And cool. Oh, well, we're still, oh, I see. Right, so that's a Hollywood effect. And basically show you what's going on. So it's a lot of things going on. We got MIDI, MIDI in, MIDI out, and a lot of things going on. So it's really and truly I have to learn this system right here. I might have wrote it from my mind, but I haven't got around to talking to the AI to write. I was going to tell the AI, oh, write a tour for me and a user manual, but we ran out of credit. And so we can do a lot of stuff here, right? So this is just like a basic run through, right? We got things that's happening here. Go to live, right? Right, and in from live. We got cut, and we can do A, B, C, and D, right? We got the scissors to cut stuff up. We can record a track or record, select a track. So we need to improve a lot on that. Okay, so we got a live TV switcher. We have the prototype of it, basically thinking about the whole thing. Um, and we come back here and we got automation. You see what I'm saying? Got a lot of stuff going on here. Now we can create some stuff here. Animation, right? So here's the animation stuff area. The thing you can just do some animation stuff. So I got to get with that because I asked for it. You know what I mean? And this is our ITV, SMTVS ITV, in fact, right? And in fact, when you get our browser, you'll get that in our browser too, right? And we got stuff that's just happening here. Okay, so you know we're going through a lot of stuff. When you get, you know, when you get over here, you still see like, oh, broadcasting, ops, movie maker. Okay, broadcasting. Okay, so okay, that's broadcasting. Movie maker. I don't know what's going on with the movie maker thing, right? Um, AI assistant, media browser. So it's a lot of buttons look like it's not really completely hooked up, but so I got to go back to. All right, okay, that's not happening yet. Agent look like it's not completed that yet, but it did live broadcast. So right, so a lot of the stuff now, the back end thing is not happening yet. Or some of the stuff. So, but we know that animation is working. This is working. That is working. That is working. Hmm, that's cool. Okay, let's step back. There was one we wanted to see. Right, so you see we've been doing a lot of work now. So yeah, like I said, this green thing, well, and the green thing grabs me. So I need to look. Where did I see it? Workspace. This place is so what we call big, right? Because it's a big thing. Oh, okay. And it's basically in there. Let's see what's going on here. Administration. There it is. Oh, okay. So I see what happened. There are certain things that it gives to me as the administration. For instance, like the music production, right? To come over here from the administration part. Video production from that part. ITV from that part. Okay. Live broadcasting again. So I guess it's just illustrating App Store. Okay, so we have the App Store, right? And these are my new apps that I made. They are clones, but we made them, right? And let me introduce to you SMTV's Internet Media Browser. It's new, right? And you can basically download it to your phone or whatnot. And you can browse the internet with it. And, you know, there's a few links there back to smtvs.com when smtvs.com is going on, right? Cool. So we did this page, right? And so before the AI wrote SMTV's website like a regular website, and then it went back and sort of do what you see here. Okay, like I think I undid like a copy of SMTV's, the one that's there now, and I think it sort of looked at it in a way, and then said, okay, I'm gonna create something similar to it. So it does a little similar job. We got the theme color thing going on that you can change the theme of the site. So it's cool. They have the workspace that's available to like creators and stuff like that, right? And then when I went to administration, see what I had available there, and The App Store is a great place that I create because here you'll be able to get like my apps. I'm gonna create like my music apps and video apps and other stuff. See, I already have a studio apps here. See, App Studio, it's there, right? So next you'll be able to like download like the Dark Gold Media Studio and all this other kind of stuff that I'm creating right here from SMTV's App Store. So we're still designing, and let's go back home to smtvs.com, and we're gonna definitely take out that green color. So interactive media solution and audio visual, right, and the broadcasting production and television programming and IT solution, right, consulting and strategy. That's what we really do, right? So that's what the AI is going to be doing for us, right? Okay, and you can browse our apps, right? You see, it's an apps, right? So yes, still I'm going to try to find out how improved these apps are if they are downloadable tools to your desktop. Okay, but not so much to your desktop. If you have a SMTVS browser, you then can install those apps in the store in your SMTVS browser. Okay, so we got theme look, and here we go. This is SMTVS command center. This is my place right here. All right, cool, right? So okay, all right. So tell me what you think. We are still working on here. We can create policies right here. Let me click on it. Right. So you build a company and everything. So now I gotta like refine the page, and I have to refine the page because I think okay. It sort of went over when I was trying to get it to create like the music profile. So we're gonna get that in there, the musician artist profile system inside there too. The studio was is just a little funky thing right now, but if the AI was paying attention to me with a creator studio, like we're gonna upgrade um, Dark Gold Media Studio, and that's a bad studio. We have a realistic video and studio inside there. I wish AI had built something like that, but I need to go back and re-explain to the AI so the AI create something like that. So you guys take care.